Cyprus flag ship owner. We see Europe has different flags. We have the Dutch flag that now suddenly they have endorsed Panama. Wow, that's a big news. Then we have the Spanish flag that it really is the lowest, like 88 ships now. It is the lowest ever. You know, well, you have Madrid, really it is now salted, and therefore they make decisions about this merchant marine and the Spanish flag, and so everybody wants to really have a bureaucracy for the Spanish flag without saying, oh, let it go. And then simply legislation, whichever you apply. Certificates, endorsements, okay, we allow Panama, we allow Venezuela, we allow Honduras, we allow all the Latin countries because we are closer. No, they'll never get there. And then we have this Madeira flag. Madeira flag, the Labour Union saying that there are no European seafarers. Come on, there are European seafarers under. And then we have this Malta flag that really does not allow some other countries. And then we have Cyprus that really most of the ships that trade within Europe, they are touching Maghreb, and the Maghreb is going to grow very much indeed. Why? Because they have young population. The young population is pushing, you know, and Europe is pushing back. So then this is going to generate a conflict of utility, and therefore a lot of ships are going to be trading to the Algeria and the Moroccan areas. And if this is the case, of course, we are very happy to have a Cyprus flag because Cyprus endorses Algeria and Morocco. Wow. Yes. Do we have to bring Asians? Do we have to bring Americans? Do we have to bring Europeans? Yeah. We can mix Europeans and Moroccan and Algerians. Yeah. Simplify it, quote. Let's say one ferry ship, Ro-Ro ship of 150,000 euros per year budget of travel. Let's say we can cut travel cost like, to 30,000. That's really 70,000 cut in travel prices and emissions, and we can invest local and we can grow the company. Why not? Use Cyprus flag. Candina, contact us and stop using these other European flags that really are like a Stone Age, you know, not endorsing our friends of Morocco, our friends of Algeria. We could talk about Tunis, Libya, and Egypt and so on. Yeah, Egypt, most of the countries do endorse them. But anyways, why not use these flags? And then the rest of European flags, please think about Panama, Venezuela, Cuba. Why? Okay, let me explain to you. We are closer. Did you get it? Thank you. Bye.